So here's my demo. We have the C++ code with OpenCV. First, I'm going to show you the object base center bias. So here we have the attention map that was previously generated from BMS. And I take these objects, I find the center of those using the CV blob library, and I generate those Gaussian kernels and put them near in the center of that object, given some standard deviation that is related to the mass or the area of that object. And then I combine them linearly, but it's a 100% beta is 1, so it's completely the Gaussian kernels, and I'll show you why I chose that in a second. So you can see here are some more attention maps for the same image and how the Gaussian kernels are created for that. So now I'm going to change beta to a lower value to show you why I chose a beta that I did of 1. So here's the attention map, Gaussian kernels. Here's the combined. So you can see here that the whole blob of the attention map is still there. It's just less intense. That's not really ideal. We really want a Gaussian kernel. Otherwise, you get things like this, and that's just not really what, intuitively speaking, that's not what we're looking for. So now I will show you the image-based center bias. So here's the saliency map prior to putting center bias in the image. So this is very similar to what BMS is providing, but it does include my object-based center bias. So then if we apply the Gaussian kernel in the middle of the image, you see here that we start getting more optimal of a saliency map with a bias in the center. The Gaussian kernel is just in the center of the image given some size of the image. So I will now show you what changing beta does, and if we change beta down to about 0.3, so here's the saliency map again, and then when we combine with a smaller value of beta, you can see that the Gaussian kernel is still kind of there, but only 30% of the Gaussian kernel is there, and 70% of the saliency map has been taken. So this isn't what we were really looking at how the fixation maps are versus this saliency map. It was better with a beta of about 0.65. Alright, that's my demo. Thank you.